Unlocking the secrets of healthy aging beyond the weights. We've all heard the mantra, lift weights for a longer, healthier life. But what is the key to aging well is a bit more nuanced. Enter Ben Alldis, a Peloton strength training expert, who reveals a holistic approach to longevity that goes beyond the weights. The power of variety in training. For a long, healthy, and happy life, variety is the spice of training, Alldis asserts. While strength training is crucial for maintaining muscle and everyday function, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Alldis emphasizes the importance of mixing things up to keep your body and mind thriving. Strength, cardio, and flexibility, a trio's the success. Alldis recommends a balanced approach that includes strength training. This is your foundation, helping you build muscle and maintain strength for daily activities. Research shows that higher muscle mass in older adults is linked to a reduced risk of major health issues. Cardio. Brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming aren't just great for your heart, they're essential. Cardiorespiratory fitness is strongly associated with longevity. Stretching. Don't underestimate the power of flexibility. Stretching improves mobility, reduces muscle tension, and aids in recovery. Consistency is key for those new to exercise. Alldis suggests starting small. Focus on building a consistent habit first. Aim for 3 days a week. Begin with 2 days of strength training and 1 day of cardio. This frequency is achievable and allows your body to adapt. Gradual progression. As you adapt, gradually introduce stretching. Start with 15 to 20 minutes of stretching post-workout to enhance flexibility and recovery. Aligning with national guidelines. Once you've established a solid routine, you can start tailoring it to meet national physical activity guidelines. Aerobic exercise, 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity weekly. Muscle strengthening exercises, 2 additional sessions targeting major muscle groups each week. Remember, aging well is about more than just lifting weights. It's about embracing a holistic approach that nourishes your body and mind. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential and age gracefully?